Welcome to some online microstrand technology options. Now you can select from one of 3 online microstrand options that are simplified options. This is in addition to an unlimited amount of options that you would find out about through either a call, a video call, or an in-person consultation. So all you have to do is click on the shop button and see the 3 simplified microstrand options for making your hair fuller while keeping your own hair safe and growing. Then you can decide if you want to select one of the 3 simplified online options or schedule yourself either a phone appointment, a video phone appointment, or an in-person appointment to see your unlimited options. Thank you.